Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So we finally had that big push up that I've been talking about. I was saying that it looks like price should go up and break this structure, which is great because now we have a confirmed turn to the upside. So what do? We throw our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. We watch our Fibonacci levels. The 61% is the next level to keep an eye on. But really, our job is definitely going to be to try to figure out whether this push up turns corrective and overlapping to a Fibonacci level and then turns down, or whether it maintains impulsive movement to the upside and goes up and breaks the high time frame, daily time frame structure, which is way up here. So while we're looking for longs on pullbacks, we're going to hopefully be learning and earning whether it makes this impulsive move up, higher highs, higher lows, or whether it turns into a very overlapping corrective pattern bouncing from a Fibonacci level and continuing the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.